Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean canvas and assets so you can move fast. Create a 1440 x 1024 frame and apply an 8px layout grid with 12 columns. This gives consistent spacing. Import album art, SVG icons, and the fonts you'll use, then group those files into a dedicated assets page. Define color and text styles now because once components are created, changing a style updates everything. This saves time and prevents mismatched typography and color later. Now construct the core components and make them reusable. Build the player bar with auto layout so icons, title, and controls align fluidly. Set appropriate fixed widths or hug content on elements. Design a progress bar using a masked rectangle with percentage-driven width. That's how you simulate playback. Create component variants for play versus paused, active playlist rows, and compact versus expanded states so switching states is one click. Once done, nest components into a master player component to keep everything linked and editable. Finish by wiring interactions and polishing micro-interactions so the player feels alive. Link the play/pause toggle, progress scrub, and next/previous buttons in prototype mode, and use Smart Animate with sensible easing for smooth motion. 60 ms to 300 ms feels natural for most UI changes. Test every state and device size, then prepare export slices. SVG for icons, PNG/JPEG for album art. If something breaks, first check auto layout nesting and component overrides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.